Hello, good morning to all of you. All are welcome for my fire safety classes. I am here for last so many days for giving a continuous education on safety oriented subject. For my first video, I have given you basic general safety awareness. Safety awareness to all of you, but nearly 10 videos given. Then again, I have given we started this basic fire safety. For that, already 12 video I have given on after last class. Now today is 13th video on basic fire safety. This is a continuous education program planned because of the safety awareness to come to everybody. On that view only this program was started. Okay, now last class we have discussed this fire blanket, fire bucket and fire hose. See, this fire blanket, fire bucket, fire hose, these are the portable type of a firefighting system in addition to the portable fire extinguishers. All these three things have been explained clearly how it can be used in case of an emergency fire requirement. So today we will be discussing some more system that is not a portable one, fire hydrant system. Fire hydrant system, which is normally used for all type of high-rise building, not only for high-rise building and industries also. This fire hydrant system is a very common in many of the industries and high-rise building. There are two type of a fire hydrant systems are available. One is called wet riser system and another is called a dry riser system. So what is the difference between wet riser and dry riser system means? In the wet riser system, there is a separate tank is there and a pipeline is there from top to bottom of the complete building. In every floor there is opening is also there. This 24 hours pressurized water will be there in case of a fire. So anybody can just immediately use and the fire we can extinguish it. For that, a security people we can be trained for that one. For that purpose, so before coming to the fire brigade people, if anybody knows how to operate in that system, they can operate, they can extinguish the fire quickly. On that viewpoint of that pressurized water is available. But some of the building, there may not be pressurized water available because at that time scarcity of water is there. What we are doing means only a simply pipeline will be there. That is pipeline provided there. That is a dry riser system, which is known as. If fire occurred, fire brigade will come there and they will connect their water system to the input of this, input of that pipe, and wherever it required they will come and they use it. So this is the difference between wet riser system and dry riser system. Normally wet riser system is preferred. That is, wet riser system is also required for this industries and other thing. Industries is not for the building but different location, different rising points are there. A separate area we are considering for this fire pump and everything, and then water will be available for 24 hours. So when fire has happened there, so immediately one pump will also be start there and the pressurized water will be maintained there. In the wet riser system, normally there are two pumps and one is called jockey pump and another is called that either diesel pump or this electric motor will be there. The idea of that bigger pump is there to give large quantity of water there, and the idea of the requirement of the jockey pump is to keep the water in a pressurized condition. So whenever you are using the water, what will happen? The pressure will go down. So in order to make up that water pressure, a jock pump will be start automatically. So that is a pressure sensing device will be there. So this pump is always working when pressure is coming down. But normally the other two pumps mean either an electric pump or in the diesel pump will be started. Why even the two pumps are there, maybe only one pump will be normally operate at a time, because the other pumps are just keeping as a standby. Suppose in case of a fire occur there, then what will happen is the electric power will be off. So at that time, if a diesel pump is available there, the diesel pump can easily start and we can get the sufficient water supply. So on that point of view only, diesel pumps is provided. So in this type of hydrant system, two pumps are there. Main pump, one is operated by electrical power and another is operated by diesel pump, diesel engine. So the idea is that in case of a power is not there, the water should be available. But in addition to that, that jockey pump will also be there. Whenever water using, pressure will be getting down. So in order to make up the pressure, jockey pump will be operated. The system is slightly complicated, not complicated, but it has to be maintained properly. Then only it will work properly. So the hydrant system normally used where what are the area means, one is in most of the factories and warehouses. Wherever warehouses is there is a lot of fire hazard chances are there. This type of wet tracer hydrant system or a dry racer. Normally wet tracer systems are available, provided, and if it is not available, at least dry racer system should be provided in the warehouses. And in all type of high-rise building also, this type of system we are providing, not either dry racer or wet tracer system. Wet tracer system is always better because the water is available there in the system itself, and we can check the pressure and other thing. So how an external agency, before external agency coming, how this can be operated means at least some trained person should be there. In case of factories and other things, some of the security people or some of the people will be trained for this hydrant system. But in case of a commercial buildings and other things, the security or as employees, 2 or 3 people will be taken and give a proper training for this operating the hydrant system. So in case of emergency, they can operate the hydrant system. In the residential building, normally the securities are giving a training or how to operate this type of a hydrant system. So these are the basic knowledge of hydrant system. It is not a portable one. It is a really firefighting equipment, firefighting system which is provided in the building, factories, warehouse, etc. So immediately firefighting. No need of till the fire brigade has to come. So I hope that you got some idea about the fire hydrant system. Okay, just I am going to stop for the time being. If you like the class, please share it and subscribe it, and wish you all of you a happy day. Happy means healthy, happy and safe day for everybody. Thank you to everybody. Okay, bye.